What's up, guys? It's your boy E, and again, I gotta say aloha, actually with a flowered hat, because I don't have a Hawaiian lei, so at least I put some flowers on the hat for you guys. And the reason I say that is because we got another review of one of my favorite companies, Hawaii Rope Chains. So boom, that's a little travel kit right there, which I love too. And today we got a very special piece. We have the 1 ounce Lady Liberty coin with a huge ass Greek bezel. You guys are gonna love this. This is like the gold statement pendant of the year, the month, the decade, whatever you want to call it. I am sure I'm gonna love this. I haven't even seen it, but Hawaii Rope Chains comes with that quality. Bob, what do you think? Bob.
All right, man, I'm coming. Geez.
All right, Bob's playing around, guys. Bob, you know what? Just do your thing, bro. Bob, do your thing. All right, guys, so we are back in, and I have had this box sitting here since forever, waiting to film it, and I am so excited to open this. Let me do my usual maniac opening up of the knife. Look at that thing. Boom. So let the unboxing gods be with me, and let's hope I can get this good without cutting a finger off. And there we go. There we go. And let us get one more. Oh.
To who?
Got my Apple Watch keeps talking to me, guys. Let me turn Apple Watch. Siri, stop.
That was rude.
All right, let's open this mother sucker up. Let us see what we got. Stuck. Okay, there we go. All right. Toss the box. Get out of here, box. Let's go with another cut right here. And now we have another bag. It's like one of those Russian dolls, guys. You know, you open the Russian doll and you think like something's gonna be something, got another Russian doll, and that's what this is. So let's toss that. Let's go back in again. And there we go. We have made it in. Pause, that's what she said. Yes, you're right. There we go. Let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, is this? Oh, there is something else in here. Oh my God, what is this? This is a pen?
It is a pen, Eric.
Find out I'm getting Hawaii Rope Chain pens. What is this over here? This is, I think this is a pen. It's a pen? What is this? Let's see. Hold on, guys. Oh, yeah. Guys, we got the first ever Hawaii Rope Chains pen. I feel honored. Love this. And I think it's an erasable. And look at that. We got that little eraser nipple right there. We got a little eraser nipple. We got the usual charger right here. It looks like the card for the pendant is in that charger, so let's actually open this up right now. By the way, guys, these chargers are dope. I actually have one plugged in right here. This is the purple one, and let me show you guys this actually. So you got the charger, it glows. You got the USB-C, you got the iPhone plug if you got like an iPhone 4 or 3GS or whatever you call it, and you got the micro USB, and it glows. Good for the car, good for the house. If you're like tripping out or something, or having a weird ass party, you want to plug a bunch of chargers in and have a little light show, and you can't afford a Hue Play or a Hue Go or a Hue Light Stick, get yourself a little charger. Boom. All right, so we got the green charger. Now let's pull out this card over here. And this card is an authenticity card, 1 ounce American Eagle / Lady Liberty pendant with Greek bezel, 2.3 inches wide, 14 karat and 22 karat. So let me explain that. 14 karat is the bezel, which I believe, actually it looks like it should be a little bit more. It was listed around 12.8, but the 1 ounce coin is 31.1. So 45.68 would mean, I am not that quick with the math right now, guys, but let's just do it really quick for some, just to get some exactness in here. 45.68 minus 31.1. So this bezel weighs about 14.58 grams. Quick math of 14 karat gold. So let me just show this to you guys. It's verified by Myron Cruz. Myron is the owner of Hawaii Rope Chains. Check that out really quick. And then on the other side right here, we just have the Hawaii Rope Chains. All right, guys, so here we go. This is what we are here for. Here we go. Wow, I feel the weight on this already. Now let's get this real slow. Oh, wow. I'm feeling it right now, guys. I am feeling it. Look at this. So we have the Lady Liberty right here. Now, guys, this 1 ounce of gold is 22 carats. So all the American Eagle / Lady Liberty coins, we have the Eagle on the other side, but all of these coins are 22 karat gold. I know that the pants that everyone's used to seeing, those are all 24 karat gold, but the coins are 22 karat gold. They are amazing. I am super psyched to have this. This piece is absolutely beautiful. So let me break down these coins a little bit. So the cool thing about these coins is that coins are actually collector's items. They have dates on them and all. Actually, let me look over here and see real quick if we can find a date. I don't have the date, I don't think, but regardless, these coins are collector's items. So people will, depending on where things are trending, end up paying more for them. So it's actually a really cool, as a pendant, obviously, but also as a little investment piece. I did get the upgraded bail so I could fit a larger size chain. I believe this fits up to a 7mm chain. I will give you a little spoiler alert. I do have some bigger ropes coming, some solid gold ropes, but you know, first impressions, guys, this pendant is beautiful. The Greek bezel really makes it stand out. Let me actually get fancy for you guys like I usually do. Let's put my Michael Jackson glove on real quick. Michael Jackson only wore one glove, so I'm putting both gloves on, but let me give you guys some close-ups of this. I mean, this thing is just gonna look absolutely beautiful on neck. I already know it. Check this out. Look at the detail on that. Beautiful Lady Liberty. Look at that actual bezel. Super, super nice, super elegant. Definitely a statement piece, like I said, and you can definitely feel the weight on here. Speaking of the weight, let us weigh this out. So the card says 45.68. Let's pull out the scales of justice over here, and we're at 0 there. And 45.70, so a little bit higher, 45.69. All right, so we are right on the money, guys. So again, that's 31.1 grams of solid, fine 22 karat gold. The rest, whatever the change is, that bezel, that's 14 karat gold. For all you guys that have seen it, I reviewed another piece from Hawaii Rope Chains, which I actually have right here in the travel case, and that was the 4.5mm figarope along with the 10-gram pamp. So check that out right there. And what we're gonna do right now is pull a little bit of a switcheroo, and we're gonna get this pendant on this beautiful, beautiful figarope. Yeah, guys, if you haven't had a chance to check out that video, definitely check it out. Super high quality. I love this piece. I've worn it a few times and I've got nothing but compliments. Let's go ahead and put this chain on this pendant right here. And guys, again, this is a 30-inch 4.5 millimeter figarope. It actually ended up being more than 4.5 millimeters. I think it was closer to 5. And here we go with the Lady Liberty. Let's put it on neck. And wow, look at that, guys. I mean, that is just absolutely fire right there. I mean, you feel that nice weight. I mean, this thing makes you feel like $1,000,000. I am a huge fan of these pendants, of the pamps. I'm always big on shopping with reputable brands. When you're spending money on something, especially a lot of money on a 1 ounce of gold, you want to make sure that you are shopping with a reputable brand where you know what you are getting. Guys, if you are in a position to go out there and buy some gold. Gold is just going up and up and up and up, and you don't have to feel like you have to buy a crazy amount of gold or you have to go out there and whatever. Even if you buy 5 grams of gold, even if you buy 2 grams of gold, it's something. It's a good place to put your money. Gold is a wonderful commodity, and I think it's personally my favorite metal that there is. I love me some solid gold. There is no need to obviously measure this. There is no need to diamond test this, but this is just a quick review of this pendant. I absolutely love it. Super high quality, the same as you get with every single piece from Hawaii Rope Chains. Guys, if you are looking for any type of piece, because Hawaii Rope Chains pretty much sells everything, every type of link. They even sell some silver, believe it or not. You cannot go wrong with shopping with Hawaii Rope Chains. So now there is nothing left to do but rate this, and on a scale of nope to dope, I am giving Hawaii Rope Chains, I believe, the same thing I gave them last time. That was an 8.5. Congratulations, Hawaii Rope Chains. But you know what, guys? Sometimes the ratings will be the same, but you know what? The quality stays the same. So your rating stays the same if your quality stays the same. Sometimes it might go up. I hope it never goes down, but another banger from Hawaii Rope Chains. I always say it, guys. Please like the video, please subscribe. Tell me what you think about the pendant. Tell me if you want to see the pendant on any other chains that I have, or if you want to see some different looks, or maybe just some different pendants in general. But this has been the review of the 1 ounce Lady Liberty coin pendant with the Greek bezel, and I am out. Peace.